Crash course on the coronavirus pandemic, COVID-19, in China, originated from, lessons learned, and future implications. The coronavirus pandemic, also known as COVID-19, originated in Wuhan, China, in December 2019. Since then, the virus has rapidly spread across the globe, infecting millions of people and causing significant disruptions to everyday life. China has been at the forefront of the battle against COVID-19, and there are several lessons that can be learned from its response to the pandemic. COVID-19 is believed to have originated from a wet market in Wuhan, China, where live animals were sold for human consumption. While the exact origins of the virus are still being investigated, it is thought that the virus may have jumped from animals to humans, possibly through an intermediate host such as a pangolin. The COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the need for better preparedness for future pandemics. Here are some lessons that can be learned for the next pandemic outbreak. Early detection and rapid response. Early detection of a new virus is crucial to prevent its spread. Countries need to invest in public health infrastructure, including early warning systems, diagnostic capacity, and surge capacity for healthcare systems, to detect and respond to outbreaks quickly. International cooperation and collaboration. The COVID-19 pandemic has shown the importance of international cooperation and collaboration in controlling the spread of the virus. Countries need to work together to share information, resources, and expertise to respond effectively to global health threats. Investment in research and development. Investment in research and development is crucial to understanding new viruses and developing vaccines and treatments. Governments and the private sector should invest in research and development for pandemic preparedness, including the development of new vaccines and treatments. Strengthening health systems. The COVID-19 pandemic has exposed weaknesses in health systems around the world. Countries need to invest in strengthening their health systems, including healthcare infrastructure, healthcare workforce, and access to essential medicines and medical supplies. Building community resilience. Communities play a crucial role in responding to pandemics. Building community resilience through education, awareness campaigns, and social mobilization can help prevent the spread of diseases and mitigate the impact of outbreaks. Investing in One Health approaches. One Health is an approach that recognizes the interconnectedness of human, animal, and environmental health. Investing in One Health approaches can help prevent the emergence and spread of new diseases by identifying and addressing the root causes of disease. One of the most important lessons learned from China's response to COVID-19 is the importance of early detection and rapid response. When the outbreak first began in Wuhan, Chinese health officials quickly identified the virus and implemented measures to contain its spread, including placing the city on lockdown and building new hospitals to treat infected patients. These efforts helped to slow the spread of the virus and save lives. Another important lesson learned from China's response to COVID-19 is the value of cooperation and collaboration between different agencies and organizations. The Chinese government worked closely with the World Health Organization, WHO, and other international organizations to share information and coordinate efforts to contain the virus. This cooperation helped to ensure that the global response to COVID-19 was as effective as possible. In addition to these lessons, there are several interesting stories and examples that highlight the impact of COVID-19 on China and the rest of the world. One example is the story of Dr. Li Wenliang, a Chinese ophthalmologist who first alerted the world to the outbreak of COVID-19. In December 2019, Dr. Li noticed a cluster of cases of a new respiratory illness in his hospital in Wuhan. He shared this information with his colleagues, but was later reprimanded by local authorities for spreading rumors. Dr. Li continued to warn others about the outbreak, and eventually contracted the virus himself and died in February 2020. His bravery and dedication to his patients and the public health of his country is a reminder of the sacrifices made by healthcare workers around the world during the pandemic. Another example is the impact of COVID-19 on the global economy. The pandemic has caused significant disruptions to businesses and supply chains around the world, leading to job losses and economic instability. In China, the initial outbreak led to the closure of many factories and businesses, which had a ripple effect on the global supply chain. As the virus spread to other countries, the economic impact became even more severe, with many countries experiencing recession or even depression. Finally, the COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the importance of international cooperation and solidarity. As the virus has spread around the world, countries have had to work together to share information, coordinate efforts, and provide support to each other. This cooperation has been essential in the global fight against COVID-19, and highlights the need for continued collaboration in addressing other global challenges, such as climate change and inequality. In conclusion, the coronavirus pandemic has had a profound impact on China and the rest of the world. While there have been many challenges and setbacks along the way, there are also important lessons that can be learned from China's response to the pandemic. These lessons include the importance of early detection and rapid response, cooperation and collaboration between different agencies and organizations, and the value of international cooperation and solidarity. By applying these lessons, we can continue to work together to overcome the challenges posed by COVID-19 and build a better future for all. Here is a poem on COVID-19 pandemic. The world stands still, the air is thick. With fear and worry, our spirits sick. A virus spreading far and wide, taking lives, changing tides. Our lives are altered, our routines gone. The simple joys we once had, withdrawn. We wear masks and keep our distance. Our hearts heavy with persistence. Our loved ones we cannot embrace. No longer can we gather in one place. But hope still shines, a light in the dark. A glimmer of light, a small spark. Together we stand, united and strong. Fighting this battle, singing our song. We'll come out on the other side. With resilience, strength, and pride. And though we may be scarred and worn, our hearts will be full, no longer torn. For we will have overcome this plight, and emerge from the darkness, shining bright. ****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid=7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.